Hi everybody, I thought I'd quickly show you how to design a business card in CoralDRAW. Okay, my design won't win the lottery, but how to do the correct setup. So launch your CoralDRAW and start a new document. Okay, I always advise obviously clients and colleagues and all of those to give it a very specific name. Let's say, I'm going to say Jean because it's me. Okay. Depending on your artwork or your order, you'll either have 2 pages or 1 page. 1 page is single-sided, 2 pages is double-sided. So then primary color mode must always be CMYK for print. Your dimensions, you'll always set it up as per your order, which is either 85 by 55 or 90 by 50. You can then select orientation to have it portrait or landscape. Be sure to, under layout, go and add bleed 3 mils minimum. It can be more, but the minimum requirement is 3 mils. Okay, once you've created that, we'll quickly throw something together for you to get an idea of what you can do with a business card. Okay, let's say, good. I'm just gonna place a logo while I did set up some stuff which doesn't really rock anybody's socks, but it helps for these videos. Okay, get your logo in. The nice thing about sorry for any background noise. Okay, so the nice thing about this is like it automatically resizes. You don't need to, or like you don't need to hold anything in for it to resize. So that's quite nice. We'll quickly add in the same folder it is on the Google. There's a Google Drive that I add these things in. There are some social media icons that you can download and use for future. We'll quickly just we'll do these 3. So just place them, then make sure this is linked. If it's not, it doesn't resize correctly. I'm just gonna make it 50% because I don't really need to. Okay, so you can select all 3 of these and go here to the alignment and distribution center. Make sure you equally distribute them top to bottom from the selected ones. The only thing I noticed when I tested this initially, because I don't really use CoralDRAW, is that you can't really see the border of the artwork like you can in Illustrator. In Illustrator it indicates it very easily, whereas here it doesn't, so you might want to just keep your artboard up into the edge of the artboard here, whereas this is until the bleed, like this is the bleed to the end. Okay, so once you've got that part, you can add it in, like you'll extend this later. Okay. We'll just go with this font. So usually your designation or like your position or whatever is smaller, I'll say that. Okay, so we're not really going to make anything amazing happen, but no, y'all, there you go. This is something I noticed earlier as well, is sometimes when you enter it, it'll like make an automatic link here. The easiest way is to just backspace and then it won't, like it unlinks it. So that really helps. There we go. Okay. Remember that your minimum font size should be 5. It can't be less than that. So if you want to adjust your spacing in between the different contact channels, you can just adjust it here. That's it. Yeah, so once you've got kind of like a basic design, which is beautiful, which mine is not, but yours will be. Once you have that, just extend that. As you can see, it doesn't show that line, which kind of sucks a lot for a designer. So just, you know, to keep it in mind. Okay, this is some beautiful design. So you'll go to File, Export to PDF. Oh, found these. Just want to see if there's something here that we need to do. Yeah, see, this is okay because it should be fine. I'll check it. Okay, so for repress you have to select bleed limit and crop marks. Then okay, we'll select okay. And then ooh, we're gonna select save. Okay, now. Okay, and there we have a print 3D PDF that has saved. I just want to check this. Okay, so it has saved it as CMYK. It doesn't convert to something weird. No, it looks pixelated at that size, but as long as it doesn't pixelate at 100%, we have no problems. That's how you do it. Thanks, guys.